This is Zombie Hour 2. We are trying to find the zombies. Oh yeah, my bad. Zombie Hour 3. Sorry guys. Anyway, we're trying to find all the zombies. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, we have a new recruit because Brandon died.
The other one died.
Yeah.
And he never made it back alive.
Yeah. So, because of that issue, we're gonna go find the zombies and chop their heads off. Okay, guys, you all ready to do this? We're gonna. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna put the tripod a little closer here so we can see what's gonna happen next. Camera. Okay. Wait, Zach. You go first. There's a new recruit. I don't know why we keep sending new recruits by the bushes and crap, but it's the only thing where to go. So.
What's that?
What is that in the tree? What the?
Zombie!
Oh crap.
Oh crap!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Backyard! Backyard! Oh god. Hurry. Ah, crap, man. Wait, your mom's here. His zombie mom is here. Oh, crap, dude. Goodbye. We gave Zach the antidote.